Hi, my name's Izzy Marciaga. I am Comms and Engagement Manager for Flight Operations, so leading all the comms that we send to our flight crew and our departmental ground colleagues, also looking at reality check and engagement surveys that our colleagues answer as well. So I think my highlight has to be when I went on a fan flight with some of our crew, and I got to see firsthand what it was like to experience life in the flight deck, from the moment you're in the briefing and all the things you need to cover there in the flight deck, the complexities, the preparation, so on and so forth. So it really gave me first-hand experience what it's like to be a pilot. I would say I discovered it along the way. That said, my grandparents used to take me around Heathrow to watch the planes taking off, and they were always amazing, seeing how you would get these massive pieces of equipment up in the air. About 10 years ago I was cabin crew, and then between then and when I rejoined BA I was working in some other industries, but ultimately I returned to aviation because it's what I love. I would say there's no typical day here at British Airways, well, particularly for me anyway. So we could have operational challenges come up, so we need to address our colleagues with comms, or we have our lots of events that we plan, but I would say no day's the same, but that's what keeps it really fun, really exciting. I wouldn't say I have as such, but that's why I think Elevate Her is actually amazing, because they can provide that mentor opportunity, inspiration for those that are wishing to get into the aviation industry. So I think when people first think about the aviation industry, they think you've got pilots, cabin crew, engineers, or those working at Heathrow, whereas actually at an organisation like BA, there's so many more jobs available, from finance, HR, commercial, customer, comms. There's a whole breadth of opportunity in the aviation industry.